What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from the Universal Orlando Resort. And I know, it has been close to a month since we have been here last, but not a whole lot has changed. But of course, we are going to be going inside the park to check up on the Jurassic Park / Jurassic World and Hagrid's Magical Creatures Motorbike Adventure roller coasters. There's a lot to see and do. Let's go! Mardi Gras is all done, but the bee tree still remains. For how long? We shall see. Ah yes, the former Emerald's location, rumored to be called Big Fire Grill, and I am seeing some changes. Looks like the outdoor patio has some new steel. Looks like we have some ventilation systems going in right there, possibly heating or AC. Looking good.
We're Lighthouse.
So a couple weeks ago we had the orange rails. They have been painted and it looks pretty good, pretty nice, pretty sleek. Man, oh man, is it good to see the Lighthouse again. So there is a private event going on for UCF, the college, and this looks kind of nuts over here. Hopefully not so bad inside the park, but I'm expecting it to be still very, very, very busy. This side over here near the tickets, not so much though. Yeah, really no way to get through security or through the front entrance, and we are on our way. The last couple of visits that we have been here, there's been Hagrid's merchandise. Let's go see if it's still here. And by Hagrid's merchandise, I mean kind of generic Harry Potter, Fantastic Beasts stuff. We do see the sign right there. Hagrid's Magical Creatures Motorbike Adventure. We had Fluffy, Fang, some cups, unicorns, and the likes. We even have an owl just over here on the side. But yes, that's pretty much it. Still waiting for official shirts and other merchandise that will have this on there. What is this that I see? Lighting trusses and a stage. Yes, that means Grad Bash is back for the high school and middle schoolers. We have a DJ booth right here and other stands set up around islands and studios. Well guys, let's check up on the wait times. The park is open until 8 p.m. here at Islands. Hulk is currently 75 minutes, 35 minutes for Dr. Doom. Spider-Man is 40 minutes, 60 minutes for Dudley Do-Rights, 40 minutes for Popeyes, 80 minutes for Kong. Ouch. Jurassic Park, 35 minutes. Forbidden Journey at 45 minutes. Poseidon's Fury, 30-minute wait, 15 minutes for One Fish, Two Fish. Cat in the Hat, 20 minutes. And the Hogwarts Express, 30 minutes. Hello, Jurassic Park / Jurassic World roller coaster project. I see a couple changes off the bat with you, like a new fence. What are you trying to hide? Come on, we already know it's coming. exciting. We have some new markings on the ground there. Yet another set of new markings over here. And another set of new markings over here. That makes 3 groupings in this cleared out area of land. Here's our closest view of all the stuff going on with Jurassic from Popeyes. We can see the lagoon right there in front of us with the sediment barriers and the fence line going all around the construction site. And then over here, we have that area cleared out for a possible viewing area of the new attraction and the dark arts show going on for Hogwarts Castle. But yes, a lot of stuff missing from over here the last couple months. All the vegetation has been taken out, and work for vertical construction should be a few months down the road. We got to get footings and the likes first, and then we'll let you know when all that happens. Hooray! Popeyes is back in operation. For the longest time it was down for an annual refurb, but yep, it's open and necessary considering it's almost 90 degrees and the humidity is out of control now. Florida summer is here. Have free water jets? Use them.
Get that! Get it! Get it!
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, that is correct. It is currently raining here at Dudley Do Rights. That is Florida summer for you, but yep, people are still enjoying themselves. Skull Island, Rain of Kong, earlier showed 80 minutes, now is showing with the rain 100 minutes. Ouch. More stuff over here for the UCF peeps. We have this signage right there and this balloon, so I'm thinking this is going to be a main area for them tonight. Let's go check on Jurassic Park River Adventure. Nothing really new to report over here at the Jurassic Park River Adventure. We can see guests right there taking a ride. Again, everything depends on Hollywood's version, and if it does well with that Jurassic World makeover. If we see anything over here, I'm thinking it's going to be a smashing success, so we'll see. I'm thinking it might happen. Here's a quick look at Camp Jurassic, and in other updates we have talked about a possible name change to Jurassic World Camp Cretaceous. Well, there's been some interesting developments since Netflix has announced Jurassic World Camp Cretaceous Show. Now in the trademark it did say applications for amusement parks, so will we see it over here? Only time will tell. Alright, so we're in line for P flyers, and you may remember this marking over here, 4104. Well, it's still there, and nothing has happened in this area at least, from what I can see right now. So yeah, nothing really different over here, no new markings, no new cleared out areas. Something else kind of interesting with P flyers, with the UCF people here, apparently they are going to get a chance to ride tonight. Only one person per vehicle, however, and that's usually the case when adults only get a chance to ride. Now that we're heading towards the entrance to the Jurassic Park River Adventure, we can again see where the Triceratops Encounters, well, used to be, as they're starting to come down, and this cleared out area is really opening up. Big wide open areas now. Yep, the work walls still line the area, and they will for quite a while. We have the cutouts for the T-Rex, Blue, Triceratops, and more. So yes, still about the same. Blah, 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 closing soon. You already know what I've been saying about the Raptor Encounter. It is supposed to be moving over here towards Pizza Predatoria, and there have been some changes. I'm going to show you that. And for some reason, the dinosaurs are not fighting over the pizza right now. That makes me sad. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is what is new when it comes to the Raptor Encounter. We can see the seating area over here, closed off with a work wall. And rumor has it, well, a new Raptor Encounter going to be right over here. Several weeks ago, we ripped up an area right here, and we can see it marked, kind of, and it was for electrical, and it's leading back over towards there, and it goes all the way towards the Discovery Center.
Well, we make you sit down right there and literally like eye contact. We were like,
Oh, have you even seen the
This is still here, for now. Well, would you look at that? The Jeep is back. Yeah, so they did some touch-ups on it. New hood, new paint, looking very, very spiffy. Now, we told you it was moved for a couple reasons. One is that touch-up. Two, they had to get some vehicles, equipment-wise, back over here for the Triceratops Encounter. And this was kind of in the way, but yes, it's back, and the T-Rex approves. Speaking of Triceratops Encounter, it is looking very, very bare over here. Hello again, Jurassic Park Discovery Center, and no new changes on the outside of the building, but with the going rumor that we may get Jurassic World, this could be seeing some changes. We'll let you know. And again, all the windows inside here have that covering so we can't see out onto the lagoon area. And they even covered up this area where we once used to get a view of the bridge getting torn down. Well, this is definitely new. Just outside of the Discovery Center and around the smoking area, we have some new work walls. Interesting. So yes, a little closer view of the work walls and the emblem right there. Again, possibly Jurassic Park or Jurassic World. However, it's kind of weird. The pathway over here towards the waterfront. Is still open along with the smoking area. It's just now we have work walls right over here. Now a look at all the work going on for Jurassic from 3 broomsticks. Well, this little dock is not left, still here. And here's a look at where the bypass bridge used to be, heading towards Lost Continent. There is absolutely nothing in the water anymore, no posts whatsoever, and from what we are hearing, a new bridge will be built sometime before summer starts. It's supposed to be a much sturdier bridge, gonna last quite a bit longer, and they need it in place for the Dark Art Show. You can see just off to the left over here, also another viewing area, possibly for that show, and for the roller coaster. One last look at the entire construction site from over here by Mythos, and we know that work is going to be starting very soon on footings, as we have some markings on the ground now. Track is currently being made overseas and should be shipped over very soon, and it will not be too long, a couple months, before we have vertical construction. Yet another lighting truss and balloon here for the UCF Nights. It's also used for Grad Bash. Yes, you heard that right, ladies and gentlemen. A dark art show is going to be projected onto Hogwarts Castle sometime in the summer. Hollywood is getting it first, and then we will. But we need that new bridge to be built so that we can have more of a viewing area for this. Well, is everybody ready for the Hagrid's Magical Creatures Motorbike Adventure portion of our update? Because here it is. Here's a look at the hut, and not too much has changed on the outside there, but we can see the drop track building in the background with some new paint to make it kind of blend in with the sky.
Yeah, that's like how it is. But like, I'm not stupid. Hold on.
of the biggest changes this week is the former Dragon Challenge entrance is getting a makeover to fit it for Hagrid's.
Yeah, I've seen it. It'd be cool.
A little bit closer view of the hut, and again the scaffolding behind it for the drop track building.
Might be.
Well, that's going to do it for our Hagrid's Magical Creatures Motorbike Adventure portion of our video. Now we're going to head over to studios and see if anything is new over there. Alright, I lied. Here's one last look of the scaffolding in the drop track building. Again, with that new paint to try to hide it from the rest of the world. And here comes the Hogwarts Express. About to take us over to studios. Here at King's Cross Station. Today it doesn't look too busy in here. Hopefully the rest of the park is just like that. Again, I cannot wait to get on the train. It looks just like this. Hagrid's motorbike and sidecar with the T-bar restraint and everything. Gonna be an awesome ride. Hello, beautiful. And we can see here at Gringotts a 60-minute wait. A little bit of a longer one today as it is busy. Alrighty guys, let's check up on the wait time. Studios is open until 9 p.m. and we can see Minions right here with a 30-minute wait. 60 minutes for Gringotts Fast and Furious, 10 minutes, 40 for Rocket. And on the next page, Men in Black, 10 minutes, 15 for Mummy, 15 for Simpsons, and 15 for Transformers. Next page, Shrek 40, 10 minutes. And of course, Hogwarts Express here in Diagon Alley, 15 minutes. I'll tell you what, I could definitely go for a duff right about now. Yep, here's Kid Zone. Moving on. In all seriousness though, nothing has changed, no new markings, and nothing else in regards to the Pokemon attraction that was supposed to be coming here. That Pokemon Snap Safari, again, I still think it is possible, but it may be going over to the new park, Fantastic Worlds, we'll see. Still could come here, but as of right now, pretty much dead in the water. There's our old buddy E.T., and I don't know if it's because operations have improved or it's a little bit lighter over here, but it only has a 10-minute wait. Some of the people that I've talked to recently that have ridden have said operations have improved though. Alright, I'm starting to think E.T. only had a 10-minute wait because the park is dead. This is not normal, folks. Look at this. Usually these pathways are completely full, and right now we can see all the way down Hollywood Boulevard. Central Park, and yes, Cinematic Celebration is going on. It just happens to be at 9 p.m. right when the park closes. Just like over at Islands, we do have lighting trusses in place along with a stage, and this is for Grad Bash and other events that they have. You know, it's also a weird feeling. No more Mardi Gras. Yes, that is right. So Mardi Gras, the parade is all done. We can see the old lighting trusses right here. Still in place, but I'm thinking they're going to be coming down very, very soon. Williams of Hollywood, and that means the prop shop. Let's go see what is new this time. And right off the bat, I can see American Graffiti. Some other stickers and the likes right here. Just off to the side, we have the Scream sign, also still here. Rock the Universe, and that is $75. We do have the Mardi Gras sign right there as well. Over here, more American Graffiti items, hats, costumes, and the like. Mardi Gras sign right there. And that's new and very cool. Check it out, Cyberdyne Systems, and this is from the old Terminator show. And we can see right here, $1,800. Yikes. That one right there, $700. But yes, these were physically in the Terminator show, or at least in the pre-show area. Kind of neat. Over here, well, we did have Creepy Chance, but she's gone. Moment of silence for her. Okay, good enough. And over here again, spider crab looking dude thing there. Volcano poster sign also still here. But this is new, and it's a map, and it was actually in a Halloween Horror Nights house. We can see right there, $4,000, but it was from Scary Tales. Right there. Now something else is kind of missing over here. If you remember, we used to have a table. So the table right here with mummy items had some blueprints. Well, that is gone. Don't think it got sold actually, but they've moved it or something. Over here, this is new, so we have kind of like an armoire. The club is right there. The hammer that was on the mummy table is moved over to here. We still have the seasonal frozen drink signs. $4.99 for that, or at least it's showing on the sign. The actual price for the sign, however, though, well, it's $100. Still have the waffle strawberry shortcake sign over here. The Halloween Horror Nights Stranger Things sign, $600. Still here. We have a bunch of the repository access cards. They have not left. Other posters right over here. B, $100. We have some pants. What is this? Fireman bunker gear. Okay. And this is new. Hello there. So if you remember, this was actually in the Terminator gift shop. Harley Quinn. But apparently she has made her way over here. $1,550. And she is yours. Around the corner over here, let's see. Still have the boat. Film strip is moved over here. License plates, men's and women's toilet sign, $75. Then over here, more signage, props. That's kind of neat. A giant Universal Orlando Resort sign, but it's got snow on there. $150. Mardi Gras stuff. We do have the bowls / plates from the old records. One of our fans asked about. And then check this. A giant Universal City Walk Orlando sign. Rock the Universe, band merchandise, seasonal frozen drinks. You can see right there. Mardi Gras stuff. And that's going to do it for over in this area. Let's walk around, see what else is new. Yum Pizza. Yep, still here. All of the photos up on the staircase, also here. The Tasty Hot Dog or Meatball sign, there. Wakita has not left yet. More of the props and costumes around the area. Carmen's veranda right there. Big sign. And we have a street sign as well. Street sign is $300. Carmen's, let's see how much that one is. $200. So that's actually not that bad. Drink sign right there. Uniform. Around the corner over here, I see a chest with different signs and things that were in the park. Kind of neat. This is not left. Not sure if it's ever going to leave, but it's $500. Old school camera. The Piranha is still here. But for the most part, I'm seeing that's about it. A couple noticeable changes. Most everything is about the same. This is new. Park Plaza Jewelry. $1,500. Pharaoh's Gold is also still here. We do have the stickers right there, and there are a bunch of them. They've done a bunch of prints on that. But yes, that is going to do it, at least for here at the prop shop. And of course the exit for the old Terminator show. Nothing different except for the smell of paint. And inside the gift shop here is where Harley Quinn used to be, but now she's over at the prop shop. Here's the former entrance to Terminator, and well, not a whole lot different on the outside of the building. Again, rumored to be themed to Jason Bourne for a new live action show. We haven't heard anything else in regards to that. Let's go over to the former gift shop and see if anything else is new over there. Now for a look at the former Hollywood Boulangerie shop, now known as the Today Cafe, and a lot of work has been done on the outside of the building. Trim and the lights in place. We also have an area, it looks to be for the sign. Again, the Today Cafe is going to have some healthy food options in here. So yes, if that is your thing, they've got you covered. One last look at the front entrance for studios, and all the Mardi Gras stuff is down, and it's looking really beautiful here at Sunset. No more events are going to be happening, at least for a little while longer, but when things change, we'll be there for it. Well guys, that is going to do it for our video here from the Universal Orlando Resort, and I am happy to say the Jurassic Park / Jurassic World project is moving along, slowly albeit. We do have some new markings. We know that the Triceratops Encounter is starting to come down in certain areas. So yes, not too much longer, we will have some footings and then vertical construction. Yeah, buddy. Over at Hagrid's, well, the former entrance for Dragon Challenge, well, it's getting a redo in time for Hagrid's. Of course, the ride has been testing with multiple vehicles and now without test dummies. So that's kind of interesting. Of course, the rest of the parks are looking pretty good. A couple other odds and ends here and there, nothing too crazy, but I do want to bring up the fact that I know it's been a couple weeks since we've been here, but as you can see, not a whole lot happened. I don't want to do updates where you guys are bored and it isn't worth your while. So that's why we haven't done too many here at the Universal Orlando Resort. But when things pick up, of course, we will be here pretty much every day. Like as Jurassic is getting built, you can count on it. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem. And I will see you out on the Midway.